Hey guys, welcome to my world. Princess Edwin is my name. Please, today I'll be taking you to my kitchen. Let's go cook spaghetti. Mwah, mwah. So guys, today I'm making spaghetti. Just a very little spaghetti for 2 or 3 person. I don't know. When I say 2 people, I mean like one person, which is me, and 2 other small person. So, but first of all, I have to put a little salt on my water, allow it to parboil a little bit before I put my spaghetti. Thank you. So these are the ingredients I'm using. This is my cubes and curry with salt. This is the green vegetables I'm using, green beans. This is my thyme, this is my onions, and that's my pepe and tomatoes that are already blended. This is my stock, like my pieces of meat that I'm going to use with the water already boiled. So guys, stay tuned. And yes, I forgot guys, this is the celebrity here, this spag that I'm going to be cooking today. Yeah, now let's go to the pot. I think the water is boiling now. So guys, I think my water is boiling already. Okay, as you can see. So now I'm going to have to put in my spag. Be careful because of the hot water. For the guys, be very careful. I know there are some guys that are very good in cooking, but whether a guy or a lady, you need to be extremely careful when you're doing this. So this is it. This is my spag. Now I just place them on pot. I think I need to add a little bit hot water so it can circulate. Then I'll give it a little time. Remember to check it while I'm going to cover, because I'm here. If I'm not here, I would have used something else to cover the top so it won't split while I'm in the kitchen. Okay, see you guys soon. So guys, now I'm about frying my stocks. I'm gonna use 2 of this spoon. I don't like too much oil. Okay, let me add a little bit. Yeah, we're ready to go. So I'm ready to fry my stuff. Now I go with my onion first. Sorry for the noise. And to my cameraman, sorry. I know it's not fun to stand here. Guys, please, sorry for the crunchy movements of the spoon in the pot. Why I like to go for my onions is because I want it a little bit softened. Sometimes, not all the time. Especially when I dice them a little bit bold. And then I'm gonna go with a little of this. That's my and then there comes my tomatoes. Okay. Yeah. And then I add the salt. And guys, please be very sure of the quantity of the salt you're using. I use just 1 no chicken. Be very sure of the quantity and the cubes you're using, because some of them can be very salty. So some of them can as I open the some of them can be salty. Okay, so it's still cooking. Yeah. Now I'm gonna come with my stock. Depending on how you want this to dry. Remember, I've already parboiled. I've cooked this my chili and tomatoes. I cooked them a lot before freezing them. So I just brought them out to mean that it's been cooked. Now I'm adding my stock that I will use. Yeah, this is just how I want to eat this part today. You know. Yeah, almost ready. The last thing I'll be putting there now is water. I'm gonna add my water before I allow it to cook a little bit. Then I'll put my spag and turn. Okay. Put in a little water. You stir it and cover it. Yeah. So, see you guys. So, guys, you see, it's still on boiling process. So I'm gonna give it a few minutes. Then I'll come back and check and then maybe filter it. Alright, see you guys soon again. So guys, now I am ready. I need to sieve it before I turn it to the stew pot. Okay, remember, this is Princess Edwin. This is my page, it's my YouTube. Subscribe, click the subscription button if you love this, and also a bell icon when you are here with me. Okay guys, yeah, I don't usually, oh, this pot is so hot. I don't usually pour hot water direct to my sink, but I have to do that now. You know, I'm doing this because I want the spag to remain one. Yeah, like that. I don't want much of the starch to remain on it. Yeah, you know, I like it one. Okay guys, see you when I'm mixing. We're ready. Now I'm gonna put in my, see how fast and free this spag is because I probably have risen it very well. So this is it. Now I'm gonna stir. Remember, I've mixed everything I need to mix earlier on. Here, I've done my mixing. You can see the pieces of the meat that I used. I'm just gonna give it more stir because of this too. Yeah, I'm just gonna give it more stir, a little bit stir. I think I should add little water, just little, for it to parboil a little bit more. Yeah. And then the last thing I'm gonna put is the vegetable, but I think it should boil a little bit before I put the vegetable so it doesn't go too soft. Okay, so guys, welcome again. It's hot and chilly. Now I want to put the last thing, which is this vegetable, the green beans already shredded. Yeah, so yeah, this is it, and I'm gonna allow it for just 1 minute. let's say 1 minute. So start counting now. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so guys, yeah, see, I told you I was going to give it a little bit time before I can stir, so that the vegetable, sorry, I'm using a turning stick. Yeah, wow, it smells nice, so nice. See the vegetable, so nice. Wow, 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 wow. Okay, so yeah, this is my spag, how I make today's own, not like every time, but I decided that we need to have a shredded small meat on it. Yeah, so thank you. Let's dish the food. So guys, you can see it's hot and ready. This is my spaghetti that I just made. Let me see if I can have a taste. It's so hot, but let me take from the sauce meat and try. Oh, the meat is so soft. Guys, thank you. Remember to subscribe. Yeah, click the subscription button. This is a spaghetti I just made with a shredded meat and some vegetables. Little for 2 or 3 persons. Sorry. Love you guys. My name is Princess Edwin. Thanks.